What's up, fellow travelers? Are you even traveling if you don't have at least one of these gadgets in your bag? I mean, I get it. Packing light is a must. But hear me out, these 6 travel essentials are game changers. Trust me, I've tried all the hacks and nothing beats the right gear. Let's dive right in. Number 1, the mighty portable power charger and power bank. Picture this, you've just landed in a new city. Your phone's down to 12%. And of course, the only empty outlet is already claimed by a guy charging his electric toothbrush. That's why a power bank is non-negotiable. Keep your phone, tablet, even your camera juiced up. No more awkwardly hunting for outlets. No more dead devices mid-adventure. Next up, noise-canceling headphones or earbuds. Ever tried sleeping on a flight while the guy behind you is snoring and there's a baby up front doing a solo concert? Yeah, me too. Noise-canceling headphones are life, whether you're working zoning out or just craving peace and quiet in your hotel room. Third, the universal travel adapter. One plug for every country? Yes, please. I stopped lugging around a handful of adapters the moment I found one that did it all. Plus, it comes with USB ports so you can charge your phone, tablet, and headphones all at once. No more adapter Tetris. Guys, I see you nodding. Want to get these gadgets? Check the links in the description and make the travel fairy smile. Number 4, trackable passport wallet or smart luggage tags. Nothing ruins a trip faster than realizing your passport or bag has vanished into thin air. A Bluetooth or GPS tracker built into your wallet or luggage tag. Instant peace of mind. Just open your app and boom, there's your stuff. 5th, portable solar or USB power bank. This one's a lifesaver if you're out exploring nature or in a country where outlets can be a rare sight. Solar chargers keep your gadgets alive even when you're off the grid. No sun? Go USB. Either way, you're covered. And finally, a hands-free phone holder. This little gadget is my secret weapon. Maps, video, calls, movies on the plane, no more awkwardly propping your phone up with a cup of coffee or passport. Clip it to the tray table, hook it to your backpack, or stand it up anywhere. Easy. So if you're a frequent traveler and you don't have at least one of these, are you really living your best travel life? Pack smarter, travel further, and keep the adventure rolling. Let me know which gadget you swear by in the comments. Safe travels. And guys, share, like, and subscribe.